Assalamu alaikum, grade 2, and welcome to your social studies class. I'm your ma'am Omama, and we are doing a very interesting topic, that is, we are talking about different seasons, and in that, we are discussing a lot of things together, right? We talked about seasonal fruits. We talked about the type of greenery in different types of seasons. We also talked about the temperature or the weather in different seasons. We also talked about the type of clothes we wear, right? So all of these things are already discussed in detail, and then we also discussed and all of these things are discussed in a very interesting way, right? We didn't talk about all of these seasons in a normal way, that this season have this type of temperature or this or that. We discussed in an interesting way how that in your book all of these details are mentioned in the form of birthday celebrations, right? So through every birthday celebration you pick up the points, and then you came and get to know about the different season. Let's say if somebody was celebrating their birthday in summer, through the arrangements you get an idea, because they were celebrating it in the evening time outside in the garden, so you get an idea that summer is a hot season, and we can enjoy very well in the evening time, right? Similarly, if somebody have their birthday in winter season, you get an idea that okay, fine, because winter is very cold season, so you cannot make your arrangements outside in the garden, so you must be making some arrangements inside, or if you want to arrange something outside in the garden, you can do that in daytime when there is sun, right? So all of these details we get to know about the multiple seasons, but the two common and the longest season in Pakistan are okay, tell me, what is the longest season in Pakistan? If we look at the seasons nowadays, or if we talk about nowadays, what is the longest season in Pakistan? It's summer, right? Excellent. Summer prolonged, but summer is not as much lengthy as compared to winter. Both are almost same, because the spring is attached to summer, and similarly the autumn is attached to winter. So we will combine these together, because autumn and spring are not as much important as summer and winter, because they are prolonged seasons, right? So we will be discussing the differences between summer and winter in today's class, and beside that we will discuss what are the seasonal fruits in different seasons in summer and winter, what are the types of clothes we wear, and all of these differences. Okay, so let's start with the watching an interesting video related to that, and then we will move forward. I'm going to share the screen with you, and let me know with a thumbs up that if it is visible to you or not. Is it visible? Excellent. Okay, let's watch the video.
The kinds of weather. Let's discuss winters. Winters are cold, but they're beautiful. It has snow, but the weather is really cold. It's hard to go outside. So we stay indoors and have fun. That's winters. Then we have summers. Summers are hot, sunny, shiny, and playful. We all go out, go for festivals, beaches, and parks because summers are hot and sunny.
Okay, so through the video you have get about the type of weather, the weather condition which is in summer and winter, and you also get to know the type of activities people perform, that because in winter it's very cold, but still people love to visit different places which are like snowy places in the winter. We love to like if we talk about in Pakistan, we love to visit northern areas where there is a lot of snow. Similarly, we love to visit Murray. Murray is a very common place in which a lot of people visits in winter. Similarly, there are other areas which are very snowy, and people do plan a lot of trips to them in winter season, right? Similarly, if we talk about summer season, in summer as well, people approach toward the northern area, especially the people from Punjab side who are who when they want to get rid of the a lot of heat which is there in Punjab, so they move toward the northern areas, usually especially on Eid al Azha, and they enjoy their, right? They enjoy the weather, enjoy the greenery and all that. So now you have already seen, or you have already learned about the type of weathers in both season. So what is left is the seasonal fruits, right? So tell me, what is the seasonal fruit, the most common fruit of summer? Yes, mangoes. Excellent, right? And all of us love mangoes. Is there anybody who don't like mangoes? Yes. Nobody. Good. And what is the seasonal fruit, the most common fruit of winter? It's oranges. Excellent. And how many of you like oranges? Well, everybody. Good. So both are very fresh and good fruits, and everybody should eat that because they have a lot of nutrients. So there are some other seasonal fruits as well. They are not as common as the mangoes and oranges, but still they are seasonal fruits. So let's discuss about it. So here you can, I have shared the screen with you, and there on your screen there is a picture in which a lot of these winter fruits are mentioned. There is banana, pear, pomegranate, clementine, kiwi, then we have oranges, then papaya, apple, then we have lemon, then we have grapes, then we have cranberries, then we have queens, then we have kumquat, and then star fruit as well. So all of these are the winter fruits, but the common of them in winter that we mostly use are pomegranate, then apple, then oranges. Well, everybody do not like papaya, but kiwi is the best, and then banana, right? All of others are not common. Similarly, grapes and lemon as well. So and the others are not common, or maybe some of them use, but it depends on their choice, right? So the common, or the most common, is orange, and then there are some other common as well. Then if we look at, so these are the winter fruits. Now if we talk about the summer fruits are as follows. All of these are very common summer fruits, and the mango is the most common. Then comes the watermelon, which is again the most common. If we talk about, well, melon is not mentioned over here, which is also a common fruit. Then we have pineapples, then we have rose apple, we have grapes, then we have dragon fruit, we have lychees, yummy fruit, then we have guava, then papaya again, and then coconut as well. Coconut is again a very fresh and a very good fruit which is available in summer, and you must drink coconut water as well. So all of these are the summer fruits, right? Okay, so in yesterday's class we also talked about the types of clothes we wear. So we discussed that in summer, because it's very hot, so people love to wear the clothes which are very light, right? Light cotton clothes are preferred. And similarly, but in, as if we talk about the winter, the scene is totally opposite, because it's very cold, so people, wear, the more they wear, the more they feel comfortable. So that was all. Now let's move toward the remaining exercise of your book. This is page number 21. We will be finishing the remaining questions, and they are very interesting questions. The very first thing is, the seasons are mentioned, and then there are months mentioned in which the season prolonged, right? They have already mentioned it. Now this is activity that I am giving you, that you are supposed to mark the month in which you can observe the most of the characteristics of that season. Let's say in summer, in which of this month, in which of these months there is the most heat or the highest temperature. In all of these months you are supposed to mark that. Then look for autumn, in which all of the trees are empty, there are no leaves. Then look for the in winter, in which there is a lot of snow, or it reaches the lowest degree temperature. And then in spring, look in which the most of the flowers blossom. So you are supposed to mark those months in which we can observe, and we can see the most of the characteristics of that season. So hurry up, mark them first. Have you heard any such line that, oh my god, the hotness in June and July, right? So this means that the summer is, or we can find the most characteristics of summer in June and July, right? Similarly, if we talk about the winter or the coldness reaches its extreme in January, right? like we spent the last month, right? If we talk about the spring, so April, in April we have most flowers, because in March they start, the greenery starts blossoming, but in April we have all of greenery, all of the colors, wonderful colors around us. And if we talk about the autumn, we in November we have no leaves on all of the trees. So these are the months in which we can observe the most characteristics of all of these seasons. Now look at the next question. It says that in which month is your birthday? You're supposed to write the month only. Hurry up. Everyone will have a different, maybe some of you have same as well. So do write the month in which there is your birthday. Done. Okay, now in the next one you are supposed to mention the season in which there is your birthday. Hurry up. Done. Now look at the third question. It says that draw a picture of the sort of clothes you would wear on your birthday. Depending on the season in which there is your birthday, you are supposed to draw the types of clothes you would like to wear. Okay, let's say if it is your birthday is in summer, you would be wearing some light clothes. If it is in winter, you would be wearing very warm clothes, right? So make a dress for you for your birthday. Hurry up. All of you are done? Okay, good. Now let's look at the last question. It says write the date of your birth. First, write the day, then month, and then year. Write your complete date of birth. All of you know your date of birth? Okay, good. Write them down. Done. Okay, good class. That was all for today. We are finished with this topic as well. So in tomorrow's class, inshallah, you will be having a small written assessment from whatever we have covered in this week. Do revise each and everything very carefully. Reread the topics as well, because I can include something from the book reading as well in your assessment. Okay, so do revise each and everything whatever we have done on your copies or on your books, and do share this video with others because it's free learning. Do good and have good. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz.